ExtremePro Touchscreen Speed Oven, NP-MWO-T, designed for compact commercial kitchens. Featuring an innovative microwave plus dual heating element technology, it ensures food is evenly heated from the inside out, with preheating completed in just seconds. The cooking chamber measures 270 by 190 by 168 millimeters, perfect for bagels, croissants, or reheating small dishes, delivering fast service and consistent taste every time. The 6.8-inch touchscreen offers intuitive control, supporting over 100 programmable recipes. The USB port supports recipe upload and download, easily meeting different menu requirements. And 5-stage cooking programs for precise, repeatable results. Operating at 3.3 kilowatts, it runs on a standard 15-amp outlet, no rewiring required. The ECO energy saving mode reduces power consumption, saving costs during peak hours. Its 490mm compact body fits tight spaces, and the AISI 304 stainless steel chamber is durable and easy to clean. A triple fan cooling system ensures reliability. ExtremePro NP-MWO-T, making every minute in your kitchen smarter, faster, and more efficient.